Tuto po.
Garcia.
MX Cross Sniper Club, Quezon Chapter. Team Chao Riders Club, Commander Riders Overseas. Kasi kung bansa yata, kaya hindi nakader. Assemblies Mio Riders Club, San Pablo City, Laguna. Team Low Profile, Chao Chapter. Team Low Profile, Padre Garcia Chapter. Team Low Profile, Pasiti Chapter. Team Low Profile, Saraya Chapter. Commander Riders, Calista International. Ever FRA Batch 4. Brothers Rider Mixed Club, Quezon Chapter. MEU Moto Elite, Quezonian. Steno Quezon, Chao Stance Group. Team Inlat, MC Bigat. Team Canto Boys. Low Profile Riders Society Laguna. Brother Riders Mixed Club, Laguna Chapter. Team Sangkit, Bright, at Friendly Bright. Batangas Friendship Riders Group. Team Low Profile Bright, Santo Tomas. Team Low Profile Bright, Taisan Chapter. Team Low Profile Lubo Chapter. Team Low Profile Ibar Chapter. Team Low Profile Binyan Chapter. Team Low Profile FPA Chapter. Motos United Laguna Advocates Riders Club at Laguna Extreme Riders Club.
At isa pa, si Jeffrey Lapoy ng Red Rider. Boss, maraming salamat.
Isa po pong pasasalamat kay Boss Vladdy ng QRBA. Saludo po ang grupo sa inyo. Maraming